can't hit me. Maybe you can. Okay, so the way I've rigged it up is so that I manually control the left and right, but all the firing that actually eliminates the enemies, that is done by my mind. So I have the graph running, you'll see in the top right corner, which will then, when it's above a certain threshold, I've set it at 5,000, then it'll fire. So my goal is to get like at least 500 because God knows I'm going to do awfully on this. Okay, so let's give it a shot. So yeah, I'm manually controlling this, but when I fire, come on, if these guys will just give me a goddamn break. Yeah, so when I fire, that's all in my brain. So yeah, I'm gonna try and take out as many of these guys as possible. Is that now? You should see it going down. So I focus again. Damn it. Okay, second try the charm. Alright, so again, there's a bit of a delay. Again, the way the headset's set up is that it only triggers one command about every 4 seconds, so that's not exactly ideal in a video game where you have to react quickly. Yes! I am the greatest defender of the galaxy. I would just go full focus all the time. No, that's probably better. Just spray and pray this thing. You can't hit me. Maybe you can. Alright, third tries the charm. That, I believe, is the same. Damn it. I also made it so that whenever it does press the spacebar, whenever it does fire the laser, it should do it for about 1 second. Because if you release it too quickly, then it doesn't fire because this game is kind of old and weird, but generally when I focus, it'll just give me about a 1 second burst and then it will go back. Yes! Yes! Okay. Yep. I was so close that time. Oh, this game is gonna be the death of